All right. Welcome back to the channel, folks. We are now in the final stages of checkout, and it basically means grabbing Rita sausage. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up real nice. Rita sausage. Yeah, sadly the my front and back blinkers did not charge all the way, but still, they got a good, I want to say they got a good 20 minutes, 25, 30 minutes of charge time. So we should be all right. See, it is 11, sorry, this is 10, like 10:57. So I had to vacate the room. And all right. There it is. The sausage is gonna get some air today. Airing. This is what I call airing out my sausage, St. Louis style. All right. So you guys, we are dressed very light today. We are dressed very light. Due to the weather. And yeah, it's originally they budgeted like 49, but with every minute of being here, it just gotten increased and increased more and more and more. So I'm sure. Thank you. Was really nice. Okay, thank you very much. Norman.
How you doing?
All right, there we are. So let's make sure. Oh,
You've been riding a long way
I'm riding all the way to Chicago, man.
on that bike.
Downtown Chicago, yeah.
So what, you a TikToker?
No, yeah. Well, I'm doing it for YouTube, but I do it for St. Jude's cancer research, the children's cancer.
I said, you don't ride at night.
So I'm doing it for charity. No, I just do daytime, but I do about 50, 60 miles a day.
Oh, man, you gotta get up earlier, man.
You know, no, man, this is like, you got to get your 10 hours of sleep because, you know, doing 50, 60 miles a day on your body is a lot. You know, it's a lot.
Like, where you ride, down the highways and stuff?
No, just county roads, trails, you know, smaller roads, but you can't go on the highway. What's about 400 miles? It's gonna take me 6 days.
Have fun, man.
All right, man. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel, Jungle Harry.
Jungle Harry?
Jungle Harry, yeah.
All right.
All right, guys. Something up with my camera here. Oh, there we go. I think we're cool. We're cool now. So yeah, guys, let's get suited and booted. I am gonna wear the ski mask, even though it's gonna get over 50, because that wind, on your face, on your neck, can get a little pesky, you know. So there we go. There we go. So I can always, right here, I can always open the collar a little bit to have a little air, Man, well, the camera's already at 85%, guys, so we're not gonna probably get a lot of juice out of these batteries, but hopefully we get you safely to our next hotel. And we're cruising the other way, so we won't have to worry too much about the sunlight, right? Alright. There's one blinker on the back. Of course, we're not going to do too much. We're not going to do too much of the old night riding, so yeah, we're not going to do too much of the old night riding, so we're probably not going to need much. See, guys, there's a lot to outmaneuver here. You gotta get your gloves, gotta get your mask, you gotta get your blinkers. Gotta hold on to your bike so the wind don't push it away. Oh, man. All right. There we go. That was a loud brake, screech on the brake.